In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys step-by-step on how you can start dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. I'm also going to show you guys how much money I make dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. Now, the reason, guys, why I always dropship from AliExpress to eBay is because of the profit margin, and also AliExpress doesn't send the package with their logo on it, okay? Compared to Amazon, you will always have problems with the logo, and the biggest problem here is not with the logo. It's the profit margin, which is very low because everyone is dropshipping from Amazon, and that's exactly what I don't like. A lot of people ask me if dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay is profitable and if there are like any problems, and the answer is yes, it's very profitable and there are no problems. And the reason is a lot of people don't dropship from AliExpress because they think that the shipping time is going to be higher than it's going to be a problem, but most of the time it's not really a problem at all. I have done some crazy numbers, and only like less than 1% actually complain about the shipping time, because now it's way faster than it was before. Now the shipping time is going to be from anywhere like from 15 days to like 20 days, sometimes like 10 days to ship this from China to United States or Europe, okay? So there is no problem at all. Now to dropship, guys, from AliExpress to eBay is a very, very easy process. You just need to find a winning product on AliExpress. I always do this, okay? I always tell this to like my viewers on YouTube. I always tell them the product research is going to make you rich. You have to know exactly how to do product research, okay? So I'm going to show you guys my method step by step, and let's get started right now, okay? So I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial, and let's get started. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to AliExpress, okay, and find a random product. It can be any product. Now the reason why I tell you this is because we want to find other competitors that are selling this product on eBay. I know that, for example, let's click on this product, okay? Now as you can see, this product has 26 sales, okay? Has been like it got like 26 sales, okay? So this product is somehow successful on AliExpress, but should I list it on eBay? The answer is no. Why? Because I don't know if people are going to be interested in this product on eBay or not. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. So what you need to do, guys, you want to copy the title of the product from AliExpress. Like I said, you want to come up, like you want to click on any product on AliExpress and copy the title and search for it on eBay, okay? So the reason why you need to search for it on eBay is to see if people or if like sellers on eBay are selling this product and they are dropshipping this product from AliExpress. I'm going to show you guys what I mean in a few seconds. Now I'm going to search, for example, for this product, okay? As you can see, this product, as you can see, it costs like $4 on AliExpress. Now I'm going to search for like people that are dropshipping this product. Let's see if this guy is dropshipping this. He is selling it for $17. That's another thing I like about dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. On Amazon, you will never find this profit margin. I have tried it, and there is no way you can like make $10 like on a $20 product, okay? $10 profit on a $20 product. Now it will never happen, okay? So this product here is the same, okay? From AliExpress it's $4, from eBay it's $17. It's the same product, the same pictures, but does that mean I have to list this product? The answer is again no. Why? Because this product has no sales on eBay, okay? People are not interested in this, probably because it's the price of the product is very high, or the title is not searchable. Like people are not able to find this product. If they search for example this title, they are not able to find this product for some reason. Now I'm not going to list this because it doesn't have any sales, okay? Now I'm going to search for other products here. So okay, I'm going to do that right now. For example, now okay, another way, guys, even if you yeah, let's see this product, okay? Again, this product has no sales, so it doesn't have any sales. Now if you cannot find any sales on the product that you want to sell, then what you guys need to do, you want to go to their store, okay? You want to go to their store And first, you want to know if this guy is a dropshipper or not. You want to click on the username here and click on about. And this guy is from United States, and the item location is from China. So that means he is dropshipping from AliExpress, and that's exactly what we want. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on shop. I'm going to scroll down and see his other successful listings if we can find them. Now I'm going to, for example, after that you want to scroll down and click on sold items, so that we can find products that have like at least 3 sales in the last month. Now this product got let's see, okay, one time it got 1 sale, which is not enough. Okay, not enough at all. So it seems like this guy is not like very successful dropshipper. I'm going to check this product. It has 2 sales, which is good. Okay, I always go with 3 sales in the last month, but 2 sales is good. Okay, it's not that bad at all. Now what you guys need to do is you want to search now for this exact product on AliExpress. You can use this extension. Just search for search by image extension AliExpress, and you want to download this extension that will help you search by image on AliExpress. Now I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on the extension. It's going to take me directly to AliExpress so that I can find the product. Okay, okay, so as you can see, this is the product. I'm going to click on it. Okay, so I'm going to search for the product right now. Let's check this product. Now it seems like it's the same product. As you can see, it's actually the same product. And as you can see, the price here on AliExpress is $11 and the price on eBay is $40. Okay, so the profit margin is like more than like 50%. So if you can sell this for like even like for, let's say okay, let's say that if you can sell this for like $30, you are still going to be left with like $14 profit, which is really good. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. Now what you need to do is you want to list this product on eBay. So to list it is very easy, guys. Of course you can copy his other listings and see if the other listings have some sales on them. Now what you need to do, you want to just click on sell and list the product. Of course you will have to download the images from AliExpress. You just need to search for download AliExpress images extension, so that you can download this extension that will help you download images from AliExpress. Okay, so this is the extension I like to use. It's called AliSave Download AliExpress Images. Now you just need to download these images. Okay, that's all you need to do. After you add the extension, you just need to reload the product page on AliExpress, and now you will be able to find here 4 buttons here that says download images, and then you will be able to download images. Keep in mind that don't use AliExpress title. Okay, everything you like, copy everything from AliExpress seller except the title, because this title on eBay is proven to work. The reason for that is because people, when they search for this, they find the product, so that this title is proven to work. People are going to search for this title. Okay, this exact title, people are searching for this. So we want to copy. The only thing we are going to copy from the seller on eBay is the title. Okay, anything else like the description, the images, you need to download them from AliExpress. Like the description, you just need to copy the description. Click on description and copy this description from like AliExpress. Just click here, right, and then copy, and then go back and then paste this description in the description of your eBay listing. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. It's very easy, very simple. This is exactly what I do, guys, and that's exactly how much I'm going to show you guys how much money I make. Okay, so by the way, guys, if you want me to do this for you, like if you want me to list products and like be with you until you start to make money, I can do that for you. Okay, I created a gig here which has never been done before on Fiverr. So I said here I created this gig. I will leave a link in the description. I said here I will guide you step by step to reach $300 a month in eBay sales. So I will be with you until you start to make $300 a month on eBay. Okay, so and as you can see here guys, there are like three packages here. I can also like provide you a full mentorship to reach $1,000 a month on eBay. Okay, so I created the gig. You can just go to like the description of this video. By the way, I can like list products and manage everything, ship the product. I can do everything for you. Okay, so like just there are some requirements, you can see them on the Fiverr. Okay, so I will leave a link in the description, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial.